Hi, my name is Abdulrahman Sulaiman. I'm a software programmer. I do programming for a living and I do it for a fun. My programming journey started from high school where I wrote Windows Form application. I wrote a couple of apps for my high school management system, and I did employee management system for them to manage their employee records. After then, I moved to .NET framework, which I built web application using ASP.NET traditional one. I built a couple of applications for some clients outside the high school where I get paid for that job. Then I started to develop a lot of interest in C# as a language, seeing that there is a lot of potential in the C# and it has been one for all language. So I learned a lot about C#. I started to move completely to .NET Core right from inception. I built a lot of apps with ASP.NET Core 1.0 up to the latest release of 2.2. Also, I have a lot of experience with the cloud. Right from the time I moved to the web application, I take the cloud as my best field to host all the application I'm doing. Also, after the high school, I completed my degree at a university, Lescos University, where I earned degree in 2016. I joined Skyline as a senior software engineer, in which I formulate and I implemented the whole application portal for the student, and I did the internal ERP integration with Koha and a lot of past softwares. Also, I learned Office Dynamic 365 there. I did a lot of integration with other systems there. I'm a community fund. I engage a lot of in a lot of open source technology, and I did a couple of open source software, among which Safe Media is a software I wrote meant to make the social media a safe place for every person on that. Seeing how hate speech is developing in social media, I started to write it with one of my colleagues. So this is the few part of my story, and I believe getting the opportunity to join the Digital Explorer will give me a unique opportunity to take my career to the next level. I wish this will be a successful story for me and my family and the global community of developers. Thank you.